Somebody was asking me recently about how to open the front lens component of a Retina 3C or 2C. This is a Snyder Xenon lens, of course, and the process is quite simple. Being quite simple doesn't mean to say it'll be easy, but there's not much to it. So you remove the 3 screws from the back that hold the mount. Lift off the mount. Now there's a single tiny screw here. That has to be loosened up. That locks the thing together. And here, if you look closely, you'll see there's a tiny gap between the filter thread and the outer case, and that's where it screws together. So what I use is a friction tool, get it inside the filter thread, apply plenty of force and twist it, and the filter thread, complete with the name ring with the serial number and so forth on it, comes off. You can then tip out your front component and separate it from the case. In this case, this is one from my parts bin. The front component's got a nasty scratch on it, and the main body here has got a nasty chip in the back where the lens has almost certainly been removed from the camera and been dropped on the floor. So both components in this case are effectively useless. So that's all there is to it. So if you are wanting to remove the front component to clean out any fungus that you saw on that back face or on this face, this is how you'd go about it. And of course, reassembly is just the reverse. Thanks for watching.